The other night, I had a conversation with a young lady who had a number of decisions ahead of her, which included whether she should go to grad school or travel the world. And she sighed. Yeah, but... Then a number of excuses are blurted out.
Good morning!
Morning!
Have Nate here.
Hi, Bea.
And Liz sleeping over there.
Puta girl.
On our way to Baler.
Yeah, but is pernicious. Because it makes it sound like we have the best intentions when really we are just too scared to do what we should. It allows us to be cowards while sounding noble.
So what are we looking here?
We're looking at the Baler tree.
This is the oldest and largest tree in Balete.
In Balete?
Just in Balete.
Or in the whole country.
Is it?
Yeah, it is.
Oh!
Huge. Let's go in. While traveling is a fun way to learn about the world, it also gives you a reason to be thankful. It forces you to become independent, meet new friends, and get the chance to bump into someone who will change your outlook in life and discover your calling.
If the tree can talk, right?
Yeah.
Like in Pocahontas. That would be great. That's my favorite.
Yeah.
In one of us, diba? Ganda.
When you get older, life seems to just sort of happen to you. Your youth is a time of total empowerment. You get to do what you want while you're in tip-top shape. Life is short and the world is wide. Money will always go back, but time won't. In your youth, you will make choices that will define you. The disciplines you begin now will be with you for the rest of your life.
Free na free!
Beach. We are.
Time to wake up!
Been hungry, been tired, been hiking, been eating, sleeping. We haven't been sleeping. And here we are. I'm okay. I feel fine.
Traveling helps you encounter compassion. Traveling will change you like little else can. It will put you in places that will force you to care for issues that are bigger than you. Do this while you're still young. Do not squander the time. You may never have it again. Nothing big will hold you back.